What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and probably not the one you was expecting in the sequence of my uploads. Now there's a reason for this. So you are used to seeing video like this, or usually like this. Now the reason for this is because like here I'm using my phone, or like here I'm using the GoPro. Now the phone that I've been using since the start of the channel is the Google Pixel 3 XL, and the GoPro that I use is the Hero 3 Plus. So obviously this is usually the driving camera, and you might be wondering why I'm doing a video on phones and devices, and the simple reason being is this phone that I'm using now, it's a good phone, or should I say it was a good phone for its time, but it's 3 years old. 12 megapixel camera on the back, 8 on the front, and phones now have just moved on. And the whole point of me doing this video is because, as I'll mention shortly, there's a lot of hype on this, and everyone is like, oh, use a DSLR or get an iPhone 13 Pro, and I'm not an iPhone guy, I'm an Android guy, Google guy, whatever you want to class it as, which is the whole point of this video. And I don't need a DSLR, as you'll find out later on in this video. I don't earn money through YouTube. I can't justify spending £800 on a camera when I need a new phone anyway. So you're usually used to seeing quality like this done off the front camera, which is an 8 megapixel camera, which is upscaling 720p into 1080p. But because it's on a wide scale, it allows you to get shots like this. Now this device is an old device, it's 3 years old, and a new device has now come and landed, which I have been waiting for, which, being a giant kid when it comes to tech, I got excited over. So let's compare. So if you now change the quality on the video to 4K, you should be seeing a lot better difference, miles better lighting. I'm not getting that strange glare that I was getting a minute ago. It's actually controlling it, and it is done on an 11 megapixel camera. Now the only downside to this is it doesn't scale out any further than this, which is annoying, but still a far better camera. And when I can use the rear camera like this in 4K, I can also use the 50 megapixel camera. So not only can I get me in and the car in 4K quality, it also means I can do stuff like this. And with the new stabilising in 4K, it also locks the frame on, so I can do pan shots without too much juddering. Now you guys might be able to tell from the way the camera's acting, I'm doing heavy rotations on it, and it locks the frame for stabilising, and it means I can also zoom right in and look at the dirty wheel. And I purposely haven't cleaned the car so you can see just how much it decides to pick up. So now, hopefully, for the channel moving forward, not only can I bring better content, I can bring better quality and better edits, and not be using a 3-year-old phone that's very outdated. Now, the hype on the internet has been all about the Pixel 6 XL over the last few days. I got it yesterday, which was the 28th, which was launch day. So moving forward, I will be using this. I know it's an unusual video because it's all about tech, not cars, and I don't show that side of it. But I thought, because it's bringing an improvement to the channel, and you can also do all the stabilising and 4K features, it now means that I can bring higher definition and show you everything in a much better detail. So I know it's different guys, I hope you did enjoy it. If you did, smash the subscribe button. If you did enjoy it, give it that thumbs up as well, and until the next time, take care.